Here we have construction zone for the snare drum. I'll play the first 4 bars, which then gets repeated and repeated and repeated. So here's the first 4 bars. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay? I'm going to play that now from bar 5 all the way to, actually from bar 5 to 13 I'm going to play that, and then it switches up a little bit. So at bar 5, here we go, we have 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1. Sorry, I did that poorly, but you get the idea. It's and then we in bar 9, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then at 13, the suspended cymbal takes over with playing that beat, and you just come in at bar 16. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to play the suspended cymbal and then fill in the 16th notes at the end of it. So here we go. At 13, here's the suspended cymbal and the snare drum. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 21. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And that's it from bar 13 to bar 29. Then at bar 29, it's just the suspended cymbal for the next little bit from 29 to 35. So I will play that for you. At 29, 1, 2, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and at that point we have bar 36. The suspended cymbal stops playing. For bar 36 to 38, this is the snare drum. It's a bit of a tricky rhythm pattern, but I'll play it for you right now. 36 to 38 on the snare. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we'll break that down slower. I'll slow it down. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 E and a 1 and 2 E and a 3 and a 4 and. If we go a little faster, 36 to 38. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 E and a 1 and 2 E and a 3 and a 4 and. Try it again a little faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 E and a 1 and 2 E and a 3 and a 4 and. So eventually that's going to go 1, 2, ready, and 1, 1, 2, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Sorry, that was a little bit bad at the end there. And then we go back to bar 38 where we're doing our rim shots. And then at 38 to 42 is 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then at 42, we have the cymbals taking over again, and the snare drum doing the 16th note. So at 42, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go back to rim shots at 50. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the last 2 bars, this can be a little tricky here, but I think it is the same 2-bar pattern that you played at 36 to 38. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 3 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so let's look at 50 to the end again for the snare drum is 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it's rim shots. It's not. Try that again. 50 to 55. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's the end of the song. So that is Construction Zone for snare drum and suspended cymbal.